As a project management expert, I've seen countless tools come and go, each promising to be the silver bullet for organizational woes. Among the diverse landscape of project management software, Smartsheet has carved out a significant niche. It's not a flashy, highly visual tool in the way some others are, but its power lies in its unique blend of spreadsheet familiarity with robust project management capabilities. So why do so many people, from individual contributors to large enterprises, choose to use Smartsheet? The answer boils down to a few key areas that resonate deeply with the needs of modern project teams and organizations. 1. The power of familiarity supercharged. One of Smartsheet's most compelling features is its spreadsheet-like interface. For anyone who has ever managed a project in Excel or Google Sheets, and let's face it, that's almost everyone in the business world, Smartsheet feels instantly familiar. This dramatically reduces the learning curve typically associated with new software. People can often jump in and start organizing tasks, entering data, and setting up basic project plans with minimal training. However, Smartsheet is far more than just a glorified spreadsheet. It takes the familiar row and column structure and supercharges it with project management-specific functionalities. Task dependencies. You can easily link tasks, so if one task is delayed, all dependent tasks automatically adjust their start and end dates. This is a critical feature for managing project timelines accurately. Gantt charts. Transform your spreadsheet data into visual Gantt charts with a single click, allowing you to see timelines, dependencies, and critical paths clearly. Predecessors and successors. Define the order of tasks, ensuring work flows logically. Hierarchical structure. Organize tasks into parent and child rows, breaking down complex projects into manageable components. This blend of familiarity and enhanced functionality makes it an incredibly powerful and accessible tool for diverse users. 2. Versatility for any project, any team. Smartsheet isn't confined to a single project management methodology or industry. Its flexible nature means it can be adapted to almost any type of project or process. Project Management Office, PMO. Smartsheet is widely used by PMOs for managing portfolios of projects, standardizing processes, and rolling up data from multiple initiatives into executive dashboards. Marketing campaigns. Teams use it to track content creation, campaign schedules, budget allocation, and lead generation efforts. IT and software development. While not a dedicated Agile tool, Smartsheet can support Agile workflows with its card view, Kanban-style boards, and is often used for managing IT infrastructure projects, bug tracking, and release management. Construction, for tracking milestones, managing subcontractors, and overseeing site progress. Operations and HR, everything from onboarding new employees, managing inventory, to tracking compliance. This versatility comes from its adaptable structure. Users can create custom columns, build personalized workflows, and leverage different views, grid, Gantt, card, calendar, to suit their specific needs. This adaptability is a major reason why it appeals to a broad audience. 3. Real-time collaboration and visibility. In today's distributed work environment, real-time collaboration is non-negotiable. Smartsheet excels here by providing a single source of truth for project data. Shared workspaces. Multiple team members can access and edit the same sheet simultaneously, seeing changes in real time. This eliminates version control issues and ensures everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Comments and discussions. Users can add comments at the row or cell level, facilitating focused discussions directly within the context of the work. This reduces reliance on lengthy email chains. Update requests. Project managers can send automated update requests to team members, prompting them to provide status updates on their assigned tasks. This streamlines reporting and keeps everyone accountable. Dashboards. Customizable dashboards provide high-level, real-time views of project and portfolio performance. Stakeholders can quickly see KPIs, progress against goals, and identify potential risks without having to dig through individual sheets. This robust collaboration and visibility foster transparency, reduce miscommunication, and enable faster decision-making. 4. Powerful automation and workflows. Repetitive tasks are the bane of productivity. Smartsheet helps alleviate this with its powerful automation capabilities, allowing teams to automate routine processes without needing to write code. Automated alerts. Set up rules to automatically send notifications when a task is overdue, a status changes, or a new row is added. Approval workflows. Design automated approval processes for documents, expenses, or project phases, ensuring that work moves forward smoothly once approved by the right stakeholders. Reminders. Schedule automatic reminders for upcoming deadlines or specific actions. Row changes. Automate actions based on changes in a row, such as moving a task to another sheet or assigning it to a different person when its status changes. These automations save significant time, reduce manual errors, and ensure that critical steps in a workflow are never missed. 5. Robust reporting and integration capabilities. Data is key for informed decision-making. Smartsheet allows users to generate comprehensive reports across multiple sheets, providing roll-up views of project health, resource utilization, and budget status. These reports can be shared easily or embedded into dashboards. Furthermore, Smartsheet integrates with a wide range of popular business applications, including Microsoft Office 365 and Google Workspace. Seamlessly integrate with tools like Outlook, Teams, Google Drive, and Gmail. CRM systems. Connect with Salesforce to link project data with customer information. Communication tools. Integrations with Slack and Microsoft Teams enable real-time notifications and collaboration within existing communication channels. Business intelligence tools. Connect with BI platforms for advanced data analysis. These integrations break down data silos, allowing information to flow freely across different systems and providing a more holistic view of operations. In essence, people use Smartsheet because it offers a pragmatic, scalable, and highly adaptable solution for work and project management. It bridges the gap between simple spreadsheets and complex enterprise resource planning (ERP) systems, providing a platform that is intuitive enough for anyone to use, yet powerful enough to manage the most complex projects and portfolios. Its ability to combine familiar interfaces with advanced functionality, foster real-time collaboration, automate workflows, and integrate with other tools makes it an invaluable asset